All right, guys. YouTube, I'm back. It's been a month. I have a lot of stuff going on there. You know, COVID is going on right now. A lot of people getting sick here. So the three things that I wanted to go over really quick is the three mistakes that people make. And when I say people, retail traders, newer traders, experienced traders can slip up and do this stuff, but normally if they got a trading plan, you don't really see traders who've been doing this for some time making these small mistakes here. So the first mistake is over leveraging. Guys, we don't want to over leverage. If you have $1,000 account, you should not be using a damn standard lot. You're nowhere near capable of using a standard lot with $1,000 account. Now there's some people who just want to get in there with $1,000 account, put that standard lot in and try to grow money as fast as possible. That's up to you. Your risk tolerance is up to you. But when you lose that account, do not get upset at the choices you have made doing bigger lot sizes than what you should have been doing. All right. So over leveraging, that's number one. There's plenty of people who place trades and they get a margin call just because they use too much leverage and got stopped out, and then the trade actually goes your way and you would have actually made money. Don't be that guy. Okay, use proper risk, please. Use proper risk. And when I mean proper risk, 1%, risk only 1% per trade. Right? That's ideal. I mean, I wouldn't use more than 3%. Myself, I would use 1 to 3%. No, really, I should say 1 to 2%. But 1 to 3%, depending on your risk tolerance, you guys would be able to, have time to make trades and not get stopped out on one, because you're going to have losers, guys. There's nobody in this earth I would ever believe if they said that they were 100% correct. It's just, it doesn't happen, right? But in what I teach, I have a course for $29 that teaches you how to lose in the Forex market and still make money, right? How to lose trades but still come out making money. And the only way you guys are going to do that is by having a trading plan, right? Having that risk. What's your risk reward ratio every trade that you're looking for at minimum? What is it? Do the math. Sit down and do that, and you can visually see when you do that math how wrong you can be. All right? If you do all that math, you're like, oh, okay, I only got to be 35% correct and still make money if I stick to this trading plan, which is a real thing. You guys can be 33% correct in the market and still make money, right? The second thing that I see people have problems with is stopping trades early. Guys, you got to let your trades run. You really do. And this comes to play a part in position management, managing your position properly and using proper risk. Normally the people who get out of trades early is people who over leverage, who use too big of a lot size for their account, and they're constantly looking at their account like, oh man, it's losing too much money. Let me get out. And the trade could have went your way. Just like something like here, right? This is something that I would do. And have my stop loss. I can have it up here or down here, but preferably up here. Have my stop loss there. And be aiming for a low. All right. I got a 1 to 3.37 risk reward ratio on this trade if I were to take this, right? It's my type of setup. I would have loved to take that. But some people can't handle this little negative part. So if you did a standard lot, once again, we're going back to that $1,000 account. If you did a standard lot, and we're basing this off the daily here, if you did a standard lot on this, immediately you went negative, right? You had some drawdown. The total drawdown was 42 pips. That's $420 lost. Almost 50% of your account would have been lost going into the negative. Those are the people who close out trades. They open it up like, oh, I'm losing $200. I need to get out of here. And it's only been 20 pips. Now, I bet it'll be different if you guys had a 0.05 in there or a 0.1 in there and you're down $20. You know, I'm like, oh, okay, it's just 20. I'm gonna let this play out. I did my homework. I did my research, and I know this trade will turn around eventually. But if it gets past my stop loss, at least I'm out. I'll take that loss. It's okay. I'll live to fight another day. That's how you guys should be looking at this stuff. All right. If you guys don't know, there is an app to help you with your risk management. It's called Stenu. Okay. STINU. Stenu. Use it anytime you're placing a sell limit, sell stop, buy limit, buy stop. Use that app. It'll tell you what lot size to use. If you're using 1 to 3%, you can put all that in, put the pair you're trading in, and it'll tell you the lot size, exactly what you need. Okay? Don't be that person who over leverages. Okay? Don't over leverage your account. Don't get out your trades too early, because that was number 2, right? Getting out of trades too early. You would have got out at negative 200, and when you could have been, let's see, when it went down all the way that week, you went from negative 200 to positive $3,300. All right, you were over $3,000 in profit if you were able to hold on to that. But given that your account was so small and you over leveraged it and you seen it going negative a little bit, you cut the trade early and you didn't get any of this. But if you did something like a 0.1, which is reasonable for $1,000 account, man, I would say go a little lower just in case. But whatever the percentages say, you can literally went negative $20, but came out with $330 profit. That's 33% of your account that you just got in one trade. All right. And the last thing that I see people having trouble with is the psychology behind trading. Right? People don't really understand that trading is a huge mental game. Like, I had to understand that. Right? A lot of people had to understand. I've only been trading for about 5 years. I've only been trading for, I guess you can call it a short period of time, but I think 5 years was more than enough to make all my mistakes and be able to become a consistent trader and comfortably trade and let my trades run. Okay, that there's a huge hump that you guys got to get over when it comes to trading. Just for the simple fact that what I just said, you getting out the trade early, that has to do with your mental, using too big of a lot size. That's all emotion. The market does not care about anybody's emotion. This is why you don't risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay? Because if you guys are risking that money that you can't lose and you lose it, you're going to be in a worse predicament than you were trying to get in here and make some quick money. Please don't do that, guys. Don't do that. I know it's a lot of people telling you to come do Forex. You know, you could do $100 deposit. Don't do it. Come on, guys. Make sure that you guys have some money saved up. Use a demo account for 6 months to a year. Just keep using it until you feel comfortable with the strategy that you always see that works for you. And you want to keep executing that every time you see it. That's all trading is. Rinse and repeat. Find the setups that you like to see every single time. And I guarantee you'll come out profitable. All right. But that's pretty much it, guys. Those are the 3 things that I really wanted to go over with this. I should have showed my face a little bit while doing this. But in the next video, I'll show my face when I talk about things like this. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments, man. If you guys want to join to learn more about risk management and, you know, how you can make money in the market while you're losing, click the link below. It's down there. It's $29 for that course, right? If you want mentorship, there's a lot more for that. But for those of you who just want to know how it could be done to lose in the market and still make money, get that. It's a quick course that'll show you exactly what you should watch out for and talk a lot about mindset and position management. That is definitely worth it. The $29 worth way more than $29 to know that. But this is stuff that I want to make available to everybody, guys. I have free courses also. If you don't know how to trade whatsoever and you're new to it, you want to learn some terminology, all that, I have free courses for that to get you started with trading, get you started marking up charts. And if you want the mentorship, this is how I teach how to get sniper entries, those wick entries a lot of the time, guys. And there's plenty of testimonials, proof. I trade with my students in the mornings. It's a whole bunch that I do that a lot of people don't really know about yet. I had this business for a couple of years now, but now I'm thinking about branching out and doing, spreading the word a little bit more about us, because I've gotten nothing but good testimonials and no bad ones. My product is fantastic. So I would definitely recommend you guys looking at that. But other than that, guys, I am out. You guys be safe out here and have a great